Bibi, the Pakistani Christian woman acquitted of blasphemy charges last year, has left Pakistan. And government sources have confirmed to WION that the mother of two has left for Canada. The development comes weeks after Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan has promised that she will be leaving the country very soon. Bibi spent nearly 10 years in prison after being wrongly accused of blasphemy, a crime punishable by death in Pakistan. She was acquitted of all charges by the Supreme Court last October, and her family immediately sought asylum abroad. The development is significant because it means that she is finally safe from the lynch orthodox Muslim bodies who were demanding her execution. The mother of two endured 8 years on death row for allegedly insulting Islam. She was convicted in 2010 for allegedly insulting the Prophet Muhammad. And Anas, now, of course, Bibi is free and she has left for Canada. And this is something that the Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan had indicated a while ago as well. Anas.
Well, yes, it's now confirmed that Bibi has left for Canada. Last night, she flew off from Pakistan towards Canada, and as we speak, she is currently en route. It is great news for the family. She's left with her husband. Her husband was in Pakistan. We saw her in the we saw him in the courtroom as well. Her children were already in Canada. There was some problems, some legal hurdles on the way of Bibi, particularly with regards to the issuance of her ID card and passport. That is why it took so much time, but government sources are now confirming to WION that she has left Pakistan out of quote-unquote out of her own free will, as she is an independent person. A formal confirmation we're expecting to be released either today, later today, or by tomorrow. But something that is significant is the fact that the Imran Khan government did indeed take a stand, contrary to how it has been in the past. We've seen the former governor of Punjab, Salman Taseer, being brutally assassinated just because he took a stand for Bibi. His killer, his assassin, was glorified as well. He was showered with rose petals. Mumtaz Qadri, who was later hanged. So by and large, it is good news that the mother of two, her ordeal finally comes to an end, a crime that she never committed, and she was being made to suffer for it under the Article 295C of the blasphemy law. I was there in the courtroom as well on the 31st of October when Justice Asif Saeed Khosar, the Chief Justice of Pakistan, he rightly criticized the motion and he criticized the lawyers as well. In fact, he had raised legal loopholes in the process under which Bibi was given this death sentence, was awarded this death sentence. If I can just point out a few, something that is pretty interesting is the fact that the Article 295C, the blasphemy law, this blasphemy act, investigations in this matter has to be carried by an SP level or above officer.
Right.
But in this particular case, it was carried by an SI. Interestingly, the SP who has said that he had taken over investigations, his own statements did not corroborate. He said that he had taken over investigations from one date, his notification was from the other, and the inquiry that began was from another date, so that did not corroborate. Similarly, the people who came in front and testified against Bibi, that
right.
Justice of Pakistan, Asif Saeed Khosar, had been saying that had it not been a sensitive case, people would have been punished. Yes, Bibi.
Right, Anas, thanks very much indeed for joining us with all the latest there. Bibi on her way out of Pakistan and will be going to Canada.